Marami ang nagsasabi na mahal ang Kangen. Pero what if I told you that most of people comparing it to the wrong thing? Today, I will show you the real price of Kangen machines and the biggest misconception about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been curious about Kangen waters or you've been thinking of investing in your health, this video is for you. And today, I will walk you through the exact prices and the differences of each model and why so many people say it's worth the investment. So before tayo pumunta sa actual price, let's clarify something. Kangen machine is not just a water filter. It's a medical grade ionizer made in Japan that creates different types of waters for drinking, for cooking, for skincare, and kahit pang cleaning. Kaya kapag kinukumpara siya sa mga tig 2,000 na water filter online, it's not fair comparison. Parang apples versus apple flavored candy. Hindi talaga sila pwedeng ikumpara kasi magkaiba talaga sila. Okay, punta na tayo sa actual lineup at prices. Prices may vary ng konti per country, pero ito talaga yung general standard. This is our Livelo K8. This is the latest or our flagship model of Kangen machine. Price is about 4,980 USD or 246,400 in peso. Touchscreen, voice guided, and powerful and perfect for the families or for heavy use. This is our Livelook 501 Platinum or White. Price is about 3,980 USD or 201,600 in peso. Ito yung classic model na kilala ng karamihan. Super durable and hospital-grade performance. Ito naman ang ating Junior 4. This is an entry level. Price is about 2,380 or 168,000 in peso. Mas simple, perfect for small families or households or for individuals. Still produces quality Kangen water. This is our Super 501 for heavy duty. Price is approximately 5,980 or 291,200 in peso. Designed for businesses or for restaurants or for big families. Pinakamalakas sa buong lineup ng Kangen machines. Why the prices seem high? Usually, nagugulat ang mga tao sa prices ng mga Kangen machines. It's because kino-compare nila sa mga bottled water, refilled waters, at sa mga cheap filters in the market. Pero isipin mo ha, no more buying bottled waters, hindi ka na din magpaparefill ng tubig na naiinitan. You have better quality water na naiinom mo araw-araw at ng pamilya mo. May drinking, may pang-beauty, may pang-cleaning. Napakadaming uses in just one device. Magagamit mo at ng pamilya mo for 25 or 35 or more years. At ang pinaka-the best part, it's a Japanese medical grade technology. So, if you divide the cost over the years, actually, mas mura pa siya compared sa mga binibili natin. Yung bottled water, yung refilled water. Over the years, mas nakakamura tayo kapag may Kangen machine tayo kasi ang lifespan niya umaabot up to 35 or more years. Value breakdown. For a family of 4, gumagastos kayo ng 50,000 to 100,000 per year. Sa bottled water lang yan ha. In 3 years, that's already a price of Kangen machine. Pero ang Kangen, hindi nauubos. And it gives you way more than just a drinking water. If you want personalized recommendation or kung gusto mo lang malaman kung anong best na Kangen machine na pasok sa budget mo, just comment below or message me directly para ma-assist kita. I'll help you compare the models para fit sa lifestyle mo. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you sa next video.